Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel. Well, today I'm super excited. We're gonna go out front and decorate my front porch for Christmas, and I cannot wait to share with you what I found over at Big Lots. It is perfect for my front porch. I absolutely love it. So let's go out front and decorate my front porch for Christmas. Well, I'm standing here on my front porch and I have all this stuff that I'm going to use to decorate with. Now, I love decorating my bench, and then I have this little side table over here to decorate with. So let me share with you what I have. Now, I was over at Hobby Lobby the other day and I came across these little presents. How adorable are these with the little twined rope for presents and the buffalo check? Absolutely love these. Now, when I was there, they were half price. I don't have the price on these. These could have been $19.99. This could have been priced at $10. I got the medium size, and I picked up two of them, same size. And then I have the smaller one here. And I think this one cost me around $6, and I absolutely love these because you'll see why I love these, because you can see a sneak peek of a little tree that I'll share with you in a minute that I purchased over at Big Lots that I absolutely love. And then also over at Hobby Lobby was this joy sign. Now this was priced $19.99, so I purchased that for $10. And then over at Hobby Lobby, these little bottle brush trees, absolutely love this. This looks like a little spool of yarn. This is so cute with a little button on there. Has the little gold balls on there. And a couple more little bottle brush trees. I got two of these, again from Hobby Lobby. And then I have this sign here. I'm not sure where I purchased this. I had this for a while. This says Joy. It's got the little farm truck on there with the tree. Absolutely love it. I love putting signs right there as you come in the front door. So I'll be using this. My theme for this year, again, is going to be the little red truck with the green trees. And to go along with that picture, I have these adorable pillows. I absolutely love these. I think these came from Big Lots. Now, I've had these for maybe 2 years now. I think a couple years back I went and purchased a lot of little red truck stuff. So I have two of these pillows for my bench. And then this little piece of greenery here, this is to hide the little hook on the wall there. So I'll share with you how I do that. And I have these Farmhouse truck rugs that I absolutely love. I think these came from Big Lots. And on the back there's an on and off switch. I haven't played with them yet, so I will see if they play some Christmas music and see if they still work. I haven't played with them yet, but we'll see. And then over at Costco a couple years ago, I say a couple, it's been probably 5 years, I got these beautiful wreaths that light up. Now these are on a timer. Absolutely love it. You hit the button twice, it lights up red to know that it's on a timer, and then it will stay on for a couple hours and then turn off. Now what I did is I went over to Kirkland's and I got all these little things to decorate with, the little buffalo check balls, the little reindeer, the little trucks again. These were little ornaments that came from Kirkland's that I put on here, and of course the bow. So I have two of these for the front door. Well, here's a look at the flock tree that I was talking about from Big Lots. I absolutely love this. Now this tree is 5 foot, and then down here you have the base of it. It's a wood base that says Farm Fresh Christmas Tree. You cut, you haul, you enjoy. Pine, fir, spruce, and cedar. Absolutely love this tree. Now this, I saw this for $45 online. I was like, what a great deal. I have to go purchase this. So I had to drive over out to Lakeland, a little further away because my Big Lots didn't carry it, but it was so worth the trip because they absolutely look beautiful at night, all lit up. And then as you notice down here, I have some colored lights that's going to be plugged into the tree. And guess what? What do you think is going to go there? My presents are going to go right beside the tree. You can't have a tree without adding a little presents to it. And then those colors at night, those lights light up, and it looks absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and decorate for Christmas.
It's been a year they hold nothing next to you. 'Cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you. Cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm off for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some decorating ideas and inspiration. I absolutely love decorating my front porch for Christmas. I cannot believe that Christmas is next week. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss my Christmas home tour next week. So until next time, happy decorating.